Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, we are going to talk about Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan Bill 2025, a landmark legislation aimed at remodeling university regulation in the country. Let's begin with the news. The Union government has introduced a major reform bill in the higher education sector. On December 15, Union Minister for Education Dharmendra Pradhan tabled the Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha. Earlier, on December 12, the Union Cabinet approved the bill for introduction in Parliament. The bill has now been referred to a joint parliamentary committee for detailed examination and stakeholder consultation. Now, let's know the objective of the bill. The primary aim of the bill is to strengthen coordination, streamline regulation, and determine academic standards in higher education institutions across India. It seeks to empower universities and other higher educational institutions to achieve excellence in teaching, learning, research, and innovation. So the question arises, why was a new law needed? Under entry 66 of the Union list in the 7th schedule of the Constitution, the Union government is responsible for the coordination and determination of standards in higher educations and research institutions. To fulfill this mandate, the University Grants Commission was established under the UGC Act 1956. However, over the decades, India's higher education sector has expanded rapidly. Today, India has over 1,000 universities, more than 60,000 higher educational institutions, and over 4 crore enrolled students. This expansion led to the creation of multiple statutory regulatory bodies such as UGC, AICTE, and NCTE, resulting in overregulation, multiple approvals, repetitive inspections, and duplication of regulatory control. The National Education Policy 2020 highlighted these challenges and called for a complete overhaul of the regulatory system to make higher education more flexible, efficient, and growth-oriented. Let's know the key provisions of the bill. The bill proposes the establishment of an apex body called the Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan, which will function as an umbrella organization for higher education governance. First is Viksit Bharat Shiksha Vinyaman Parishad, that is Regulatory Council. Second is Viksit Bharat Shiksha Gunvatta Parishad, that is Accreditation Council. And third is Viksit Bharat Shiksha Manak Parishad, that is Standards Council. The functions of the councils are: the Standard Council will determine and harmonize academic standards across institutions. The Regulatory Council will ensure coordination and maintenance of these standards. The Accreditation Council will oversee an independent and credible accreditation ecosystem. The bill proposes the repeal of 3 major acts. First, University Grants Commission Act 1956. Second, All India Council for Technical Education Act 1987. And third, National Council for Teacher Education Act 1993. So overall, the Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan Bill 2025 makes a significant shift towards a simplified, transparent, and outcome-based governance structure in higher education, aligning India's education system with the vision of National Education Policy 2020 and the goal of Viksit Bharat. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned with GS Nexus.